If you asked a 10-year-old what AI is, they'd probably say something about robots or computers that think. And honestly, that's not a bad start. But let's dig a little deeper, using language that actually makes sense. Imagine you're teaching a stickman how to recognize cats. You could program every single rule. Cats have pointy ears, whiskers, 4 legs, a tail. But what happens when the cat is sitting and you can't see all 4 legs? Your stickman gets confused. That's old school programming. You have to think of everything. Every edge case, every exception, every possible scenario, all programmed in advance. It's exhausting, and it often fails in unexpected situations. But AI works differently. Instead of rules, you show the AI thousands of pictures of cats, and thousands of pictures of things that aren't cats. The AI finds patterns on its own. It learns what catness looks like without you having to explain it. Think of it like this. When you were little, nobody gave you a rule book for recognizing your mom's face. You just saw her a lot, and your brain figured out the pattern. That's basically what AI does, but with math instead of a human brain. So here's the simple truth. AI isn't really artificial intelligence in the sci-fi sense. It's pattern recognition on steroids. It's really good at finding patterns in huge amounts of data. When Netflix recommends a show, that's AI finding patterns in what you've watched. When your phone recognizes your face, that's AI finding patterns in facial features. When spam filters catch junk email, that's AI finding patterns in sketchy messages. But here's what AI is not. It's not thinking. It's not conscious. It's not planning to take over the world. It's math. Really impressive math, but still just math. The word intelligence might be the most misleading part. A better name might be pattern matching machine. But that doesn't sound as cool. So when you hear AI, just think. A tool that's really good at finding patterns humans would miss, trained on lots of examples. That's it. No magic, no mystery, just patterns and math. In the next video, we'll look at exactly what AI can and can't do, because there's a lot of hype out there. But for now, you understand the basics better than most people. AI is pattern recognition, trained on data. Simple as that. Thanks for watching. If you want more calm, honest AI explanations, hit that subscribe button. See you in the next video.